So the main content of today's presentation are going to be these. You might not completely understand some of them right now, but by the end of the session, you will be well versed with all of this. So we will be talking about knowing your exam, knowing your subjects, knowing your resources, measuring time needed for your resources, making a modifiable schedule, and then I will be showing you some sample schedules. So let's start. So what I have seen while talking with students or when they tell me how they are preparing, I think a lot of students do not give enough time in understanding what is step one exam. What do exam people want you to do in step one? What is their outlook of the exam? Knowing that is extremely important to schedule your study, because then you will exactly prepare for what is needed and not leave something or not add anything extra.